Okay, this tutorial is for making the water bottle, and for the first thing we're going to do is either click here or go up to File and New, and it already comes up Part, so we're going to change this to Bottle since we're making the bottle, and then hit OK. And for this drawing, it comes up as default with the coordinating systems, and we don't really need that, so we can go up here to this button here. Says coordinating system, and we can turn that off. And first thing we're going to do is go to extrude, the button over here, click that, and this should pop up over here, and we need to hit placement, define. We're going to define the place that we're going to sketch, the sketch plane, and you can either hit top or come over here and click top, and as reference it comes to the front, and that's what we need. So we'll hit sketch. And also for this drawing, it comes up with our plane lines, and we don't really need those, so we can click that and that clears up our screen a little bit. So for the bottle, we need to start out with making two circles. So we're going to come over here to circle, and we need to make our first circle in the center of these the lines here. So whenever we come close to it, it should snap to the center and turn red. So we'll click that with right click, and we'll pull out and right click again. And we also need one more circle, so we need this one on the left side. So on this line here, it should snap to, you see that it's red here, so we'll just right click, and this one can be a little smaller than the other one, so we'll right click again. So after you have two circles, we need to make two lines tangent from here to here. So we'll go up to the line, click this little arrow button over, and this should bring these out, and the tangent line is this one here. It says line tangent, so we'll click that, and first thing we need to do is click on this circle here, and as you see, this little line pulls out, so we need to click on our other line. It should snap to our circle. See it snap right there, and then right click again. And we need one more circle, so we'll just right click on this, and if this happens, see it's coming out from the top again. We don't want that, so we'll just cancel that. We'll just hit our middle button, wheel button, and we'll start again. We'll try from this circle and go to this one, and it should snap to it at the bottom. And then that's what we need for that, so we'll click OK. The next thing we need to do is crop out the inside half of this circle for both of these. So we'll go over to the delete segment, click that, and we're going to delete that, and that one, and that one. So let's go ahead and refit this so we can see a little easier. So we should have this here, half circle here with two tangent lines. Next thing we need to do is dimension. So we'll click the dimension button, it should be right here, and we're going to double click on this half circle here, this arc, and it should turn red when we click on it twice. And then after we do that, we're going to hit our middle wheel button here, and it should pop out. If it doesn't, we'll try it again. There we go. And this will give us the diameter of this arc, and we want that to be 65, and we'll hit enter. And then we also need to dimension this arc, so we'll double click and it should turn red, and then hit the middle button again, and we're going to make that one 25. Hit enter. And if you want to see a little better, we'll hit the refit button, and it'll bring it up. And now we need to dimension from the middle circle of both of these, so we'll click on both of them and they should turn red, and then we're going to hit the middle wheel button up here, and we need to change that one to 65. Hit enter. If you made a mistake on typing in this wrong, you can double click on the number, click OK, double click, and you can change it, and it's already 65, so let's hit enter. Alright, so now that we have that, that's all we need to do for this one, so we're going to hit the blue check, and then the next video will go on from there.